Hello Netherlands, we are the RollBand team from the OnStage League and we are excited to showcase our passion for robotics here at RoboCup.
We are from Portugal, specifically Barcelos. In addition to celebrating 50 years of Banda Plástica de Barcelos, we also decided to pay homage to a landmark historical moment of our country. On April 25, 1974, Portugal saw the fall of the dictatorship. Soldiers peacefully occupied Lisbon, our capital, in a revolution symbolized by the carnation flowers that represent freedom in our country.
Come in and discover our fantastic workplace, where everything happens. Here we have amazing moments and develop innovative projects. We are busy, but meet our incredible team. See this handsome guy? This is João Sampaio, responsible for all technical documentation and assisting in the robot assembly. This is Guilherme Torres, the brain of our work. He is responsible for the project and editing of audio and digital media. Now let's talk about our new member, Gonçalo Costa, responsible for the mechanical and electrical aspects of the robots, as well as robot programming. Now that we have introduced our team, let's talk about that inspired the project. It has sparked by the work of one of our colleges and aimed to replicate the plastic band from Barcelos, showcase Portuguese culture together with music and dance. It's a project focused on programming and 3D design. What motivated us to start this project was about all our love for music, but also our desire to seek new experience that early help us to improve our skills in programming, robot assembly and 3D design creator. For our projects, we are using button roll robots, which we built during in the RoboPart event. Button roll is an educational robot designed to teach programming and robotics in any accessible way. These robots are equipped with line following sensors and a compass system to enrich in performance. Our band consists of two roles, with the first being the bandmaster. The bandmaster plays the main role, starting the show with arms movements to the rhythm of the music. Its legs also march during the dance and it even takes a bow. To build the bandmaster, we use 6 3D printed parts with 1.75mm PLA filament, 2 legs, 2 arms and a body in 2 pieces. For the movements, we use 4 Arduino Uno boards, wires, batteries and service control boards. There are some examples of the code used. And then we have the band members. The musicians move the arms to match the instruments they play and synchronize their steps with the music's melody, adding harmony and rhythm to the performance. To assemble the musicians, we needed 6 3D printed parts using 1.75mm PLM filament, 2 legs, 2 arms and a body split into 2 pieces. To automate their movement, we use 4 Arduino Uno boards, wires, batteries and servo control boards. There are some examples of the code line. To devise this project, we used 3 programs. We used Arduino IDE to program the Arduino boards of our robot. We also used Blender to create the tiled models of our robot. Lastly, we use FlashPrint 5 to convert 3-dimensional models for printing.
We used button rolls for locomotion, a compass sensor for mapping, one sensor for visual recognition, and edge detection on the stage. We faced several challenges, including understanding and implementing the compass, programming the servo motors, and making adjustments in 3D printing. Thank you for your attention.